Product type in Ecoxy is used to enter the product type in which the products are categorized. User can store the product in different product types. So Ecoxy enables the user to enter the data of the product type. It can be created and viewed from the inventory module. To access the product type form, click on the inventory module and select the option product type. While we clicking on the option, it redirects to search product type page. With this form, user can create a new product type and it shows the details of already created product types. Here we can see the details like category name, subcategory name, product type and the current status of the product type. On the right side of the data table, here we have more options. These more options include edit option and view option. If the user want to edit or make a change after created the product type, then it can be done by using this edit option. While we clicking on this option, it redirects to the product type form. The second one is the view option. This view option enables the user to access the details of created product type. Next, the inactive or passive product types are highlighted with red color. Here we can see a color format. This red color indicates with passive or inactive product type. On the left side of the page, we have a filter option here. This filter option helps the user to filter or customize the product type data. User can filter the data by selecting a category and subcategory, or by entering a product type, or by selecting a particular status. After enter the details, click on the apply option to filter or customize the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a category or subcategory name and can access a particular type of data. Next option is the add new product type option. With this option, user can create a new product type. Next to the add new product type is export option. With this export option, user can export the product type data to Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new product type. For that, click on the add new product type option. While we clicking on the option, it opens to new product type form. Here user need to enter the details to create the product type. The first one is the category name. First of all, user need to enter the category name here. By clicking on the select option, the list of created category will be appear and user can select the required one. After select the category name, next the subcategory of the details will be appear. By clicking on the select option, the list of subcategories under the main category will be appear and user can select the required one. Next, user need to enter the product type here. After enter the product type, the next step is to enter the keyword. Here user can enter the keyword related with the product type if required. After enter the keyword, next user can select the active or inactive option. If the user want to save this product type as active, then mark the option as active. Otherwise, user can save it as an inactive or passive product type by unmark the option. The next step is to add the product type image. With this option, user can add a product type image if required. After enter the details, click on the save option to save it as a new product type. Here we have an exit option to exit or cancel this form. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to search product type page and the saved details will be available here. When the user creates a new product, the created product type details will be available there and user can select the required product type. So these are the details included under product type form. Thank you.